From reckless excavator operators who nearly drowned in flooded quarries, to fearless bulldozer masters executing death-defying maneuvers on crumbling cliffs, these are the most extreme, dangerous, heavy machinery moments brought to you by Tech Vision Center. But as the video progresses, the clips become increasingly more perilous until we witness the most heart-stopping near disasters of the compilation. Starting with this excavator operator who found himself trapped on a sinking machine surrounded by rising water. The operator managed to escape just before the excavator disappeared beneath the surface, proving that split-second decisions can mean the difference between life and death. This Russian forest operation shows operators battling treacherous terrain that would challenge even the most experienced crews. The TT-4B struggles through harsh woodland conditions, where one wrong move could spell disaster for both machine and operator in unforgiving wilderness. Two excavators coordinate their efforts to push a massive boulder blocking the mountain road below. This dangerous teamwork requires perfect timing and communication, as one miscalculation could send tons of rock tumbling toward the operators or nearby traffic. Despite tireless rescue efforts throughout the night, this backhoe loader remains hopelessly trapped in thick mud caused by heavy rainfall. The unsuccessful rescue attempt shows how even the most determined operators sometimes face impossible situations beyond their control. A truck loaded with timber approaches what appears to be a properly docked ferry, only to watch helplessly as the vessel drifts away from shore. This wasn't the truck driver's fault, but it demonstrates how equipment failures can create dangerous situations without warning. And by the way, if you've been enjoying this so far, make sure to subscribe to Tech Vision Center, like the video, and drop a comment below about your favorite moments of this compilation. Workers gather excitedly as a cat excavator prepares to push an enormous rock down the hillside below. The camera operator captures this rare and satisfying moment that all heavy equipment operators dream of witnessing, as tons of stone crash dramatically down the slope. This front loader operator starts confidently navigating through muddy terrain, but overconfidence quickly turns to regret. The machine becomes hopelessly stuck when the operator pushes too far into treacherous ground conditions that seemed manageable at first glance. Apparently, that's how they get their boss to buy a new excavator. But don't worry, the excavator was remotely controlled, so no one got hurt when this machine tumbled down the massive cliff face in a spectacular and expensive demonstration. A mega dump truck gets assistance from a bulldozer after becoming trapped in thick mud. Working in reverse, the two machines coordinate their efforts successfully, proving that teamwork and proper technique can overcome even the most challenging terrain conditions. A tractor driver discovers that the water pit is much deeper than expected after confidently driving forward. Eventually, the operator has to swallow his pride and accept help from other crews, learning that overconfidence can quickly turn routine tasks dangerous. Two front loaders work together as one helps extract the other from deep mud. After several minutes of careful maneuvering and coordination, they manage to free the trapped machine, showcasing the importance of having backup equipment on challenging job sites.
Birimiz 5 bir mangdagacha visualiz chiqdi-da.
Three bulldozers clear ice and snow from treacherous mountain roads, helping an under-equipped truck pass safely through winter conditions. This demonstrates why having the proper setup for each weather condition can mean the difference between success and getting stranded in dangerous terrain. In icy and snowy conditions, a massive bulldozer carefully maneuvers onto a transport truck to be taken to a distant construction site. After precise and cautious positioning, the old beast successfully loads itself onto the trailer, ready for its journey to the next challenging worksite.